Good morning. Oh, I've had another driving along for the last couple of days. It's been running lovely, but as soon as we get onto a hill and then drop it down a gear and start revving it, it's starting to get a chuff like a backfire through the carburetor. Get to the top of the hill, or back the throttle off a little bit, it's okay. Get to the top of the hill, drop it into fourth, and it's just trundling along quite happily. Really fine going through the village, is all slow. Accelerating out the villages, it's fine. As soon as we come to a hill, it starts giving it bop 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 bop. So tried dropping it down again and revving it harder, it just misfires more. So I thought, oh, it's got to be the usual points in the condenser or a bit of oil on it. So I've had a look inside the distributor, it's all clean. I've cleaned, filed the gaps on the points, fitted them again, drove it down the road exactly the same. What I've noticed now, I stopped it, just gave the accelerator a little rev, which you can do from here, just give it a rev. But the problem was, I found straight away this lever here that's come off. This is opening the top butterflies, so it's running fine when it's just tootling along with hardly any fuel. As soon as I'm giving it more fuel, it's not opening the butterflies to allow more air through. This actual pin, when you look at it, comes off that easy. At one end it's got like a flat on it there, so that it locks into it's like a keyway, so it locks in and twists. The other end that's come off used to have a washer and a split pin, so the easy fix, put it back in the hole, it'll go in. If I just clean this off, I might be able to see. There you go, you can see the keyway now, maybe if I can get it close enough. So what we'll do is put that in, there we go, and then up. The choice I've got here is two holes, one with a keyway, one that's a hole. So it can't be the keyway because it isn't, it's with a split pin and a washer, so it must be with a hole. Tiny little bit of pressure and it goes in. Right, so I've lost the washer, I've lost the split pin, but I've got an idea. So get this on there. About right. This is the idea. I've got a couple of 4mm washers, not quite the right size but good enough, and a piece of locking wire or fencing wire. So first of all, one of the washers will be fitted, and then just stick a piece of fencing wire in, which will do as a make-do split pin until it can be changed at a later date or never done, depending. If it works, it works. There's a washer on. And to get the piece of locking wire through. Oh, first time. that's unusual. Got a little twist. Right. The Leatherman. This is the best tool I've ever bought. It's been used for so much, so many different repairs. It just keeps going. Got a lifetime warranty, but never had any problems with it yet. Right, and there we go. Now let's see if it moves. Perfect. There we go. That's it, fixed. Guaranteed that was the problem. There's no point in even taking it for a test drive, because knowing that the Venturis aren't opening, it would give a real problem. So that was a quick fix.